Welcome, here I've got ASUS ZenFone 8 Flip and I'm gonna show you how to activate image stabilization while recording a video at this device. Let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. Let's change it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the left to video. From here, let's go to the left corner. When we pick this button, we can open the advanced camera settings, and in the video category we have video stabilization at the third position. So by using the button from the right, we can easily turn it off or turn it on as we need. And here in this device we have one extra way to stabilize our video better. So let's move back to the video preview, and now let's focus on this settings bar at the top, and when we tap on this button we can turn on hyper steady recording, another tap to turn it off. So this is really short and easy way to get access to it. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.